Hi guys! Today is such a cool episode because I have one of the collabs, the famous collabs with Sandra Lett, where she takes one of my paintings and turns it into something truly magical. But first, a really super exciting partnership between Sandra and myself. We started something to support artists called Art Healing Hearts Auctions. And it's something that we've been talking about, virtual art auctions for collectors, patrons, and creatives alike. You can see our mission statement and learn a little bit more about what we do at arthealingheartsauctions.com. Learn how to partner with us if you want to see if you're a good fit as an artist. You can visit our website. Our flagship event is coming up, so if you want to join us, just lend your voice to Art Healing Hearts November 30th through December 3rd on Facebook. We have Melanie April Harris, beautiful jewelry, Amy Kane Smith, she does art and jewelry abstracts. Corey Martin is an artist that we're featuring. Deborah Nell, very expressive, beautiful portraits. Hannah Staten has some of the cutest little animals, and we have our own Lam Jasmine artist, the oil and acrylic flow artist. Sherry Rodriguez is a watercolorist, and her work is just amazing. Alcohol Ink with Tracy Tank Ellis, and Tracy Truong is a watercolor artist that's just blows my mind. And Laura Elder, I love everything she does. Sandra is also going to have a few pieces in the show, like this one, this magnolia, and some resin pieces, and this lovely butterfly that was an honorable mention in a recent show. I am going to have a couple pieces like you've never seen before, like this gorgeous little piece called Sacred Waters and this called Sacred Mountains. So that's going to be in our show. You have to join us. Our Facebook group is where you're going to find all the information to stay informed. Join our Facebook group, sign up for our newsletter, and most importantly, come to our flagship holiday show. We can use all the support we can get, and we just can't wait to see you there, so please join us. So, what is this woman gonna do to my painting? This copper stunner already has a video, and I will be sure to attach the video link in the description box and try to also show it here. So you can see the full tutorial if you like. It was basically 4 flip cups, and it went on a long journey with me, this painting did. If you like what you see, please subscribe and share to this channel, comment, shop my Amazon store to support not only me, but your favorite artist. Those are great ways to support your favorite artist if you like this channel and you like the things that you see. And you could also leave a donation. Donate to this channel, just small amounts, even cup of coffee amounts really do help. So small donations are welcome. This painting, yeah, like I said, you can see there's just all sorts of colors, and a lot of paint was on this canvas. I ended up doing balloon rolls and flip cups and straight pours, and then I did the spiral of death. Sometimes it's just fun to have fun, and I was just playing around with this one. And then came the plastic wrap. So if you want to see this full tutorial, it is a good one to watch, because I just feel like it's so surprising the way it turned out. Someone wrote in the comments of this one, you basically kept going after I would have thrown this painting out or scraped it off 2 or 3 different times. And I think that's a good lesson for all of us. Sometimes it's okay to just keep seeing where something's going to take us, because look at the end result of this painting. A lot of that is, look at the little dendrites in there, so pretty. I just love that part. And this whole painting is so shiny. So when I showed Sandra this painting, her mind immediately went to gold and koi fish, and you can see why. She has a full tutorial on her channel, so you should go check out her channel. Link in the description box for that.
And this piece will be available when it's finished. It'll be available in our auction group November 30th through December 3rd. It'll be on Heather's day for her auction, but you can join the Facebook group there and bid, hopefully, for this beautiful painting for all you fans out there. So I'm going to get busy and paint some gorgeous fish. I hope you enjoy watching. Okay, so I'm done, I think. So yeah, I just kind of took her balloon rolls, and of course I went over a good portion of it, but I think it's beautiful, and I hope you think it's beautiful, and I'm hoping it will find a new home that it can swim to with all these beautiful metallics. And it'll get a nice glossy coat of spray. And yeah. So I just enhanced her balloon rolls. And this pretty copper canvas, and then the edges have textured paint from the pour, so it's pretty much ready to hang. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and of course I will provide the link below for Heather's initial creation of this oval canvas. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and it will be in the auction at Art Healing Hearts Auctions group on Facebook. Come join us there. I'll have the links below the video. We're going to have several pieces in the show ourselves, and then there's 10 other artists besides us that will be in this first inaugural auction, November 30th to December 3rd on Facebook, Art Healing Hearts Auctions Facebook group.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit all notifications so I can make more art videos just for you.